Yo, what's good? Good afternoon. Today I want to replace the brake light switch. This is a common issue, or at least not many people know, but it's more common than I thought for Subarus. Whether it's your Outback, Forester, WRX, STI, and in my case, it's for my 2007 Subaru Legacy GT. I also have the Spec B, but I think this goes for any Legacy GT as well. I got the part number, or the part from Amazon. You could also buy this from like SubaruParts.com or whatever, wherever they have it. But I'm gonna link in the description where I got this part, and also the revised part if there is any. But today I'm going to attempt at least to replace the brake light switch. For the longest, my ABS light will come on random times, and I thought it was something with how I did my brake pad replacement, but I think it's more related to this case where the brake light switch just goes bad or worn out. Right now my car is at 162k miles, so I guess it's kind of high mileage for this brake light lamp sensor, whatever you want to call it, going bad. But yeah, to try to get a good view of under the dash of what we're working on. So yeah, catch you guys soon. And what would happen is the ABS light would come on at the top right, and it should trigger, you know, the cruise control light blinking and the traction and check engine light, most likely. But in my case, those two are already on. Those two lights are already on, but the ABS light will come on at some point. So right now I'm gonna give my brake pedal, like, let's say like four pushes, and if it comes on, then it's bad right now. But there are days where I drive the whole day and the ABS light doesn't come on, and I guess my brake lights are working just fine. But let's see, 5 solid pushes. There it is. Also, I'm going to face the camera at the rear of the car and see if the brake lights come on. But I do want to check if the brake lights come on at least after like a few presses, a few sensitive presses and hard presses for like a whole minute. Okay, it's a little tight under here, but first I gotta take off this dash undercover, and fortunately I only have one plastic clip on, so taking this will be pretty easy. But I guess I'm missing one there and one on the left as well. This is the brake pedal right here. So going up, see that brown? That brown right behind it is that black one right here. Loosening it up, see how it twists. That is the brake pedal. And I think there's a nut behind it. Yeah, there is. So there's actually 2 nuts. Ordering gave me this top nut, and this is probably how it stays. But now I gotta replace that black part here. This one. I have to loosen the other side as well. Yeah. Got it out from in here. There was a bottom nut behind the bracket. So there's one before, and there's one under. Now I'm just gonna unclip this somehow. There it is. It's a little pinch on the inside. I'm gonna use 2 hands on this one. Nice. Alright, finally got her out. This is the old one. Someone even marked it. So there's a brown mark on the pedal as well to align it. So I'm not sure if they changed this before or they knew that was gonna happen. But yeah, this is the old. Not too sure what's wrong with it. Maybe it's electrical. This is the new. So I'm gonna mark it how it is. Wasn't too bad, but it's tight down here. And you could see from the video, the lights are coming on like just fine. Like there's no flickering and there's no like hesitation with the middle light, as you may have seen before. I mean, it is daytime, so you can't really see, but like I said, no ABS light. So I'm gonna go for a quick drive and hope that it solved, you know, the sensor issue. If it was, hoping the ABS light does not come on again. In conclusion, for now, I do think that I fixed the issue of the ABS light, and of course the brake lights are flashing like they should. So good.